Winter is almost over, and spring is just a few weeks away, which means it's time to jump in that car, hop on that train, or board that flight for warmer weather trips. On this channel, we've looked at a number of different bags and minimalist packing techniques to not only make traveling less of a headache, but to also help you save money on checking bags. I'm excited for this upcoming travel season, and in this video, I want to take a look at 4 minimalist backpacks that I want to try this year. If you like these kind of minimalist packing videos, be sure to give a like and subscribe. So the first bag I want to discuss today is the Slim Backpack from Day Owl. And some quick facts about Day Owl. They're a company based in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. All of their bags are made with 100% recycled materials, and they have fair working conditions for their entire supply chain. So that makes them an awesome company to support. Let's look at some of the details of the Slim Backpack. First off, the dimensions of the bag are 15.5 inches in height, 11 inches in width, and 3.5 inches in depth, which makes it a 13-liter bag. And if this seems too small for you, there's an almost identical option that they offer at 21 liters too. Right now, it's available in 8 different colorways, and it's made with a very durable waxed canvas that comes from 25 recycled post-consumer plastic bottles. Now, ever since I saw this bag, I knew I wanted one. I absolutely love the minimalist design and the versatility of the bag. For me, 13 liters is also a great size for a long weekend trip. One of the features of this bag that I love that I haven't seen from other companies is the enclosed spill-resistant water bottle pocket, which can hold up to the size of a standard wine bottle. I also love that every bag has an individual number associated with it. This is something that's common in limited pressings of records, and I love this little touch that makes the bag feel one of a kind. These bags retail for $135, so it's a mid-level price point for a nice backpack. You can actually snag one right now, though, in the pale olive color for only $81. Apparently, they made too many in that color, so right now they're having a great sale. The next bag we'll be looking at is the Day Pack 2 from Air. So some quick facts about Air first. They're a company based in San Francisco, California, and they're inspired by city life. Their products balance smart features with clean, minimalist style. So I already own one Air backpack, which is the Duffel Pack 3, and I absolutely love that bag. I actually made a video about it, and you can watch that by clicking the link. The Duffel Pack actually comes in at 21.4 liters, so I often use this bag for week-long trips. It's pretty big compared to most of my bags, which is why I want to try another Air bag with a smaller footprint. And the one I'm most interested in is called the Day Pack 2. The dimensions of this bag are 17 inches in height, 12 inches in width, and 5.5 inches in depth, making it a 14.8 liter capacity bag. It's only available in one color, which is this sleek-looking slate black, and it's made with weather-resistant nylon on the front and sides and a padded mesh on the back. I love the design of Air bags, as they have a distinct, sophisticated look. They also feel extremely durable and are so comfortable to wear with the heavily padded straps. They're also structured so the bags keep their shape really well. This bag here retails for $140, so it's right at that midpoint for a nice backpack as well. Right now, the bag is on sale for $105, which is a steal for how nice of a product this is. Next up is a bag from the company Top Drawer, and it's part of their Colo line of goods. So some quick facts about Top Drawer. Top Drawer is an offshoot of the Tokyo-based stationery company Itoya. Their headquarters are in Boston, but they also have stores in New York, Chicago, San Francisco, and Los Angeles. And Colo is actually their American-made line of bags and pouches. This bag right here is called the Juno Day Pack, and it comes in at 14 inches in height, 10 inches in width, and 4.5 inches in depth, making it an 11.79 liter capacity bag. The bag is available in 5 different colors, although only the gold and blue colorways are currently available online. Green, black, and red versions appear to be sold out at the moment. Lastly, the bag is made with a water-resistant 100% organic cotton waxed canvas. So this bag really caught my eye because it's like an elevated version of the super popular Fjallraven Kanken backpack. I recently went into the Top Drawer store in Lincoln Park in Chicago to take a look at this bag in person. And I have to say, it feels really durable and structured, which is unlike the Fjallraven, which feels a little flimsy and cheap in my opinion. Especially with that foam seat cushion interior liner, that's just a huge eyesore for me. So the Juno Day Pack retails at $195, so it's a little more expensive than the Kanken laptop at $125 and the other bags on this list. But honestly, I think it's well worth the investment if you do like this boxy style of backpack. So the last bag on my list of minimalist backpacks that I want to try this spring is the Via backpack from Bellroy. And some quick facts about Bellroy. They're an Australian-based brand with headquarters in Melbourne. They use environmentally sustainable materials like eco-tanned leathers, recycled fabrics, and plant-based materials. They are also probably the most well-known and popular brand on this list. So many of you have probably already heard of them, you probably own something from them. But the reason I wanted to cover them in this list is because I still don't own anything from this brand. So the first item I would like to try from them is this backpack, the Via. And the dimensions of this backpack are 17.7 inches in height, 8.6 inches in width, and 4.3 inches in depth, making it a 20-liter capacity bag. So it's the largest bag on this list. It's available in 4 colorways, including black, slate, navy, and my favorite option, saltbush. The bag is made with 100% recycled water-resistant fabric and zippers. So the thing I like most about this bag at first glance is the way the material looks. It looks so soft to the touch, almost spongy-like. I also like the distinct glossy look of the Bellroy zippers. They've really created their own kind of distinct design that flows throughout all of their products. The minimalist branding of the Bellroy logo also adds to the clean simplicity of the bag. So the Via retails at $129, so again, it's right in that middle range for quality backpacks. This wouldn't be the first bag on the list that I gravitate towards because it's quite big compared to the others, but I do look forward to owning one of these someday when I'm in need of something slightly larger. And that's going to be it for the list, so leave a comment below on which bag you'd like to try, and if you do currently have any of these bags, please let me know what you like and dislike about them.